7 remedies for receding gums, simple and natural methods. Receding gums is a common oral health problem that happens when your gums pull back from your teeth, causing the roots to be exposed. Other symptoms may also occur, such as painful gums and bad breath. This leads to sensitive teeth and sometimes even loose teeth. Several factors can result in receding gums, such as smoking, genetics, poor dental hygiene, brushing your teeth too hard, and tongue and lip piercings. If left untreated, this condition can get worse. So today, we're going to share with you 7 home remedies that can help alleviate receding gums naturally. Let's get started. First, using turmeric powder. Turmeric is a popular spice that's not only well known for its flavor, but for its medicinal properties too. A 2017 review article published in the International Journal of Oral Care and Research states that turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects are beneficial in the treatment of several oral health conditions, which include gum diseases. This can be done by using turmeric paste, which is made by mixing 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of mustard oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Apply this mixture to your teeth and gums twice a day. Or you can also use turmeric to make a mouth rinse. Boil 200 milliliters of water together with 5 grams of turmeric powder, 2 dried guava leaves, and 2 cloves, a spice that's native to Indonesia. The second method is oil pulling. This is an Indian traditional remedy that has been used to maintain oral health. According to a review article published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine in 2016, oil pulling can improve oral health when used as a supplement to the regular practice of brushing your teeth and flossing. A wide range of oils can be used for oil pulling, but in this particular remedy, we're going to use coconut oil, which can help heal your gums through its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Take a tablespoon of coconut oil and swish it around your mouth. After 20 minutes, spit it out, rinse your mouth with water, and then brush your teeth. Oil pulling is usually done in the morning when you haven't eaten anything yet. Third, using salt. Salt has antimicrobial properties, which means that it can fight infections and heal wounds. To do a salt rinse, simply add 1 tablespoon of salt to a glass of warm water. Mix it well, and then gargle your mouth using this mixture for 30 seconds. You can do this 2 to 3 times a day to help soothe your gums. Fourth, using aloe vera. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties are one of the reasons why it has been well known for its medicinal use. Its promising potential for dentistry use has been cited in a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences. According to this research, aloe vera is found to be beneficial in treating several dental diseases, including gum disease. For this remedy, rinse your mouth with about 10 ml of aloe vera mouthwash twice a day. Before we proceed with our list, if you're finding this video helpful so far, give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Next, we have green tea. Studies have shown that green tea brings positive results to maintaining oral health due to its high antioxidant content that can reduce inflammation and prevent the growth of certain bacteria associated with gum diseases. To help alleviate receding gums, drink 1 to 2 cups a day, and if possible, choose the sugar-free types of green tea as they're the healthier option. Sixth, brush your teeth. One of the main causes of receding gums is the buildup of plaque on the teeth, which is the film that is produced when bacteria combine with sugar from food. Plaque can harden and form what is called tartar, which piles up along the gum line and may cause gum disease. And when it comes to removing plaque, the best defense is to brush your teeth regularly. The American Dental Association recommends brushing your teeth for about 2 minutes twice a day with a soft bristled brush. Also, be gentle and don't brush your teeth too hard, as it can further damage your gums. And lastly, floss. It's a well-known fact that apart from brushing your teeth, flossing is another important habit that is key to good oral health. The American Dental Association recommends flossing once a day to remove debris and plaque from hard-to-reach areas that your toothbrush can't clean. It's amazing how you can relieve receding gums naturally in many different ways, and most of the ingredients that you need you can easily find at your home. To discover more natural cures that can help you treat common ailments at home, check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. In this book, you'll find 800 beneficial plants, recipes of infusions, salves, teas, essential oils, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about it is that it has a high-definition color pictures for each plant, detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. To learn more about the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, follow the link in the description below. And that sums up the video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we have more helpful videos to share with you soon. Thanks for stopping by and see you again next time.